Hello everyone, I'm Ni-King Wu from Wanyang Lithium Battery. Today, we bring you the high-altitude drop experiment of lithium batteries. Let's first measure the voltage of the entire battery pack. Battery pack voltage 66 V. Then we connect to the upper computer. Check the status of each individual unit. The voltage of a single battery is basically 3 V. The battery is basically in a sufficient state. Standards related to lithium batteries. Drop height for battery drop test. The highest height is 12 m. Our experimental platform height today is 1.7 meter. Next, we will conduct a drop experiment. We connect to the upper computer. Let's take another look at the status of the battery cells. The individual voltage is displayed normally. Individual data is around 3 V, consistent with before falling. Next, let's take this set of batteries. Challenge the drop experiment on a 4-meter high platform. Height 4 m. We conducted a battery drop experiment at a height of 4.5 meters. Let's measure the battery status again. Voltage 65.99 V. Consistent with before the fall. After connecting to the upper computer, the battery voltage is normal, basically at 3.3 volts. Using the same set of batteries, we conducted drop experiments of 1.7 meter and 4.5 meters respectively. Severe deformation of the shell after falling, but all the data is good. No smoking, fire, or explosion occurred. Prove that our battery is safe and reliable. Welcome everyone to choose Wanyang Lithium Battery products. We can see now the state of the battery module after disassembly. The two corners of the body are deformed. The battery during the drop test showed slight scratches, but there is no leakage. No smoke was observed.